Hello and welcome to today's video. That was a bit aggressive, I'm sorry. My name is Ms.Phoenix and today our video is looking a little bit different. I hate the tutorial that's in the beginning. I feel like it's long, so we're gonna do something shorter. There are 3 things before we start today's video. Okay, the first one. If you are a returning subscriber, there's a time code at the top of the description. It will take you right to where the instruction is, so you don't have to sit through this video. Second thing, there is a sheet that I have created that is all of the steps that we will be going through for today's video. It's in the description as well. There is a Pinterest link and a Google Doc link. Click those. Yeah. Third being, when you see this icon, that means that you can pause the video and have a catch up before we move on to our next instruction. If you are new to the channel and you like this type of content, consider subscribing. I'll be doing a lot more of these. Anyways, sorry. Let's get into today's video. I'm going to start with a cross shape at the bottom of my paper. For our first step, we're going to draw 2 oval shapes that lean towards the top of our T. For the eyes, I did a small circle on the top and a small curve that connects to the bottom of our T shape. Next, you're going to draw the nose right in the middle. And for our mouth, you guys ready? We're going to draw a line straight down. Pretty simple. Then we're going to curve out on both sides to create a kind of W type shape or a smile in that bottom lip right in the middle. Now for our head, we're going to start where the bottom of our eyes meet, the lower curve. We are going to come out from that into the middle of where our top lip is. Alright, so for our front legs, we're going to start where that T is. I started a little bit off, but I want you guys to start right where the T is. That just makes it simpler. Come out and leave some space towards the bottom to connect our feet to our face. All right, just outside of where our face is, I'm gonna add 2 ears. You wanna leave some space between them. I'm gonna start by doing some C-shaped curves on both sides. You want to make sure they're a little bit big because we're going to put another C-shaped curve in the middle. Just like that. Alright, in between both of the eyes, we are going to add a zigzag. This is for some of our spines. And after this, you're just going to add spines all around the body. And just like that, you are done. My phone didn't happen to record me coloring it, so I'm sorry for that. But if you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next art video. Be safe, tell your mom you love her. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.